Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about amazing insects and what they do in nature. Insects may be small, but they are very important. Let's learn together. A bee is a small flying insect that loves flowers. Bees collect nectar from flowers and turn it into honey. While doing this, they also help pollinate plants, which means they help flowers grow and produce fruits. Bees are very important for nature and for our food. Ants are tiny but very strong insects. They live and work together in large groups called colonies. Ants help clean the environment by carrying food and breaking down organic materials. They are also known for teamwork and hard work. A ladybug is a small, colorful insect with red wings and black spots. It is very helpful to farmers and gardens because it eats harmful pests like aphids. Ladybugs help protect plants and keep them healthy. A mosquito is a small flying insect that bites humans and animals. It drinks blood to survive. Even though mosquitoes can be annoying and sometimes spread diseases, they are also part of the food chain and are eaten by other animals. Fireflies are special insects that can glow in the dark. They use their light to communicate and attract mates. Fireflies make the night look beautiful and magical, especially in forests and fields. A beetle is an insect with hard outer shells that protect its body. There are many kinds of beetles, and they play different roles in nature. Some help break down dead plants and animals, keeping the environment clean. A grasshopper is an insect that can jump very far using its strong back legs. It eats plants and lives in grassy areas. Grasshoppers are also an important food source for birds and other animals. A fly is a small insect that can fly quickly and is often found around food. Flies help break down waste and organic matter. Even though they can be dirty, they play a role in keeping the environment clean. A dragonfly is a beautiful insect with long wings and a slim body. It is a very good flyer and can move in many directions. Dragonflies eat mosquitoes, which helps control insect populations. A butterfly is a colorful flying insect that comes from a caterpillar. It drinks nectar from flowers and helps with pollination. Butterflies are important for plants and also make nature more beautiful. A stick insect looks like a small branch or stick. This helps it hide from predators. It eats leaves and lives quietly in trees and bushes. Its ability to camouflage helps it survive in nature. A praying mantis is an insect with long front legs that look like it is praying. It is a predator that eats other insects. This helps control pest populations and keeps the ecosystem balanced. A cicada is an insect known for its loud sound. It lives underground for many years before coming out. When it appears, it makes a buzzing noise to communicate. Cicadas are Wow! Insects are small but very important for our world. Which insect do you like the most? Let's keep learning and exploring nature together.